All right, developers, let's be real. After a coding sprint, is your pull request description often a jumbled mess of incomplete thoughts, random bullet points, or just updates? Stop struggling to articulate your changes. Today, I'm going to show you how AI can transform your chaotic spaghetti notes into a clean, professional, and merge-ready PR description in minutes. The problem is universal. During development, we jot down notes. They're informal, they're for us, they're often unorganized. But then, turning those rough scribbles into a clear, concise, and comprehensive PR description for your teammates? It's a whole different, time-consuming task. It's a context switch, it's a mental drain, and if done poorly, it leads to misunderstandings, endless back-and-forth comments, and delayed reviews. It's a drag on team velocity. So how do we bridge that gap from informal notes to formal review? With AI, it's surprisingly simple and effective. You take all those rough development notes, your commit messages, bullet points from your stand-ups, even snippets from your personal scratchpad, and you paste them into a large language model. The magic happens with a structured prompt. You want the AI to do several things. First, structure the description clearly. Think problem, solution, changes made, testing notes, impact. Second, rephrase informal language into professional technical terms. No more, I just kind of fiddled with it. Third, summarize key impacts. What's the so what for the reviewer and the end user? And finally, even suggest relevant links or screenshots to include, anticipating reviewer questions. Here's a prompt I often use. Based on these development notes and commit messages, draft a professional pull request description. Structure it with problem, solution, changes made, and testing details. Rephrase informal language, summarize the key impacts, and suggest any necessary links or screenshots. Assume the audience is my technical team. The key is to iterate. If the first output isn't perfect, give it feedback. Make changes made more concise, or add a section for potential risks. A few quick prompts, and you have a PR description that looks like you spent an hour on it. The benefits of this workflow are immediate and significant. You drastically speed up PR creation, your reviewers get crystal clear context, which reduces those annoying back-and-forth comments, and ultimately, you ensure faster code merges. This boosts your team's velocity and frees you up for more actual coding, not documentation. Use this to save time, impress your team with clear communication, and level up your career. So here's your sticky takeaway. From chaotic commits to crystal clear code reviews, AI streamlines your PRs. Have you tried using AI to write your PR descriptions? Share your best prompts or tips in the comments below. If this helped you level up, hit that like button and subscribe for more essential tech hacks. Next time, I'll show you my go-to workflow for researching new AI tools safely and effectively without getting overwhelmed.